The Report Design module in InStock's DijjiReport application is one of several powerful components that make this product so easy to use. You will find there is no easier way to create a report for one item at one store or for hundreds of items across thousands of stores. In all cases, the core of a report is the simple list of the stores and items you wish to see sales and other data for. So let's jump right in and create a new report. To begin, select this Add Report button and enter a name for your report. Let me mention the other components you see in this pop-up. We are going to skip over those for now, but don't worry, we will come back to discuss a little later in this video. Okay, back to our report. We have clicked the Add Report button and entered the name we would like for it. This is where we will tell the system which individual locations or groups of locations the report should include. Adding all stores is easy, as you need only to click the All Locations box here. This will result in a report showing every store that has sales for the items you chose in the Products tab next. If we click on the Products tab and then select All Products, you will now have created a high-level report that includes all your locations and items. That's all it takes. In just seconds, you have created your first Dijji Report, which will give you top-line sales results for all your available sales data. That is likely a report we all need, but most of us will also need additional reports that show only varying groups of stores and items. So here are some easy steps to take for building custom reports to do just that. The first option is to use the Import button here. Clicking on this will open the Import Locations pop-up where you can paste in a list of location numbers. Paste in the list and click the Import button to automatically add all the stores in the list to your report design. Once done, you should see your selections listed here under Selected Locations. To likewise enter a list of items, we would click on the Products tab and follow the same steps to paste and import. Just like with your locations list, any items pasted should appear here under the Selected Products. Here is a great hint that can save you a lot of time. You can copy a list of store or item numbers from a Microsoft Excel file, then paste directly into these import pop-ups. This is just one of hundreds of ways that in-stock products make getting work done easier and more accurate. The next method to add locations and products is to use the groupings that are available from your master locations and products lists. In this example, we have region as one of our options. When this is selected, the available list of regions will appear here under Available Locations. Simply click on the green arrow beside any of the available choices to add it to your report. To undo a selection, just click the red arrow here to move it back. You can continue to select regions, or you can even mix and match geographic groupings. Simply change your selection in the drop-down here, and then add any of the newly available choices to your selected locations. The Products tab has the same functionality using the groupings from your product listing. Select the group level you desire here, then the individual product groups or individual items needed to create your report. Remember that you can also use the Import button here to enter items or paste a list of item numbers. As we mentioned earlier, you also have options in the Add Report pop-up should you need them. The first is to select one or more approved listings from the Select Approved Listings section shown here. The choices you have here will all be approved listings that have been entered into DijjiReport for the current entity selected. Adding approved listings to your report design will provide cost and retails data to downstream reports whenever store and item combinations in your report design match those in your selected approved item listings. This will cause the margin fields to populate wherever they exist in a report screen or file export. The next option you have is to automatically filter the results of a report by one or more of the approved item listing selections in this area. Selecting this option, then making subsequent approved listing selections, will constrain the results of a report to show only store and item combinations that are found in the approved listings. As you can see, there are many options in DijjiReport designed to improve efficiency and accuracy. All report design methods are easy to use so that every team member can quickly get to the data they need to manage your business. The most important thing to remember is that DijjiReport gives you complete control of your important POS data, and it provides users with the most convenient methods available to find and use that information to drive sales and margins. Please contact us if you have any unanswered questions so we can ensure DijjiReport continues to be a product your company will truly love with the information it truly needs.